Welcome to Dreifuss Fireplaces. In this video, we'll show you how to keep your wood-burning fireplace in top condition with our essential maintenance tips. Wood-burning fireplaces are a beloved feature in many homes. To ensure they remain efficient and safe, regular maintenance is key. Start by being selective with your firewood. Use dry, seasoned wood like birch, hard maple, or oak. Avoid green wood, as it can create harmful creosote buildup. Always extinguish your fires safely. Spread the embers, cover them with baking soda, and wait 24 hours before cleaning. Next, create a cleaning solution. Mix 6 tablespoons of trisodium phosphate, a cup of bleach, and 1 gallon of warm water. Spray this solution on the fireplace surfaces and scrub with a stiff brush. Don't forget to scrub your fireplace doors. Use a damp paper towel dipped in ash for an effective clean. For stubborn residue, a fireplace-approved glass cleaner works wonders. Remove andirons and grates, then scrub them with hot water and dish soap. Rinse with warm water and let them dry before reinstalling. Keep your fireplace clean and safe by following these maintenance tips. Choose the right wood, extinguish fires properly, and clean regularly. For professional help, contact Dreifuss Fireplaces. Dreifuss Fireplaces has been serving Pennsylvania families since 1876. Visit our website or contact us today for all your fireplace needs.